Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. My name is Puna, Silent 808 as some of you may know. Today is a big day for me and I'm so excited because, well, as you know, I have my work truck here and it has been tortured. We've been off-roading, we've been to job sites, construction sites, but what you need to know is that this vehicle is ceramic coated with Adams ceramic coating, the 5-year long one, along with UV tracers as you saw. But today we're doing something awesome. So what I'm really proud to show and share with everybody is this. This is Hawaii's first bottle of graphene ceramic spray coating. So this is supposed to last a year and we're gonna put it on top of this truck as soon as we clean it, of course. But I'm so excited to install this. The graphene is the latest and greatest right now. What's really good about it is that it's strong, it's flexible, and it's in ceramic spray coating. So today we're gonna do that, so stay tuned, let's get going. Okay guys, so as you can see, this truck is absolutely filthy. We even have bird droppings here. Oh man. Fender wells. Yikes. Back here, oh, my exhaust is filthy. Ugh. But we are gonna get this thing nice and clean in no time. And then for the main event, ceramic coating. Or ceramic spray coating. Yeah, we'll go with ceramic spray coating, guys. What you gotta do is always clean the wheels first, because when you spray chemicals, you wanna make sure that you have chemicals on the wheel and tires, and then you can shoot it off the paint later. So that's why you always do the wheels and tires first. So let's get going. So as you guys can see, the ceramic coating is still holding on the spokes, but over here on the kind of front part of the spokes, it's still kind of running away just a little bit. So after we spray wheel cleaner, even more so. One of the first things we did after we shut off the wheel was use Adams Deep Wheel Cleaner. As you can see, it's already gone to work. Well, can't really see too well because the wheel's blacking and there's chrome. And then we shot our wheel cleaner, tire and rubber cleaner. So we're gonna get to work on it. Do not want to see us just cleaning the car, cleaning the wheels, so we're gonna skip that part really fast, and then we're gonna, well, not really skip it, we're gonna fast forward this part so that way you guys don't have to see it, and then we're gonna go and move the truck into the garage where we can ceramic coat it safely and relatively dust free. And so right now we're just gonna wash the vehicle. We'll show you when it's done. Just stay tuned. Folks can see how the regular ceramic is, the 5-year protection is. We're gonna shoot down the vehicle real quick.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Now let's dry off the car.
We still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So as I said, folks, we cleaned the vehicle first, and now it's time for the fun part. So we're gonna do our coating prep first, and then we can finally lay down this graphene ceramic spray coating. So this is just awesome. It is the first bottle in the state. So we want to give a massive shout out to our sponsor, Adams Polishes, Alex of Platinum Detailing. Thank you so much, dude. I can't wait to get this on the car. Let's go. All right, so we finally finished wiping on the car, coating prepped it properly, and it's time to get started with the graphene coating. So we're gonna unscrew this. Yeah, don't smell it. Don't smell it. We're gonna get this on like that. You can still smell it, even though we put the cap on. We're gonna set it up. And then let's get going. So we got a graphene ceramic spray coating and we got our applicator. So we're just gonna spray on like so. And then we're gonna apply it like so. And then we're gonna cross hatch it up.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, to say the words that
So you can see it's already starting to rainbow. So once it rainbows, we can wipe it off. Just like that. Now we're gonna do the rest of the car just like that. Alright guys, so welcome back to this. I guess this makes this part 2 or day 2 of my vlog with Adam's new graphene ceramic spray coating. Check this out, guys. I don't think the camera can convey this, but oh my gosh, it is so glossy and wet looking. Holy cow. But we just moved it outside to do a final sun test, and boy oh boy, even the wheels look so wet. Let's get a close up on that. And then what's cool is that you can ceramic coat everything. So we did the door handles, we did the mirrors, even the tonneau cover we got. This is the MX-4 backflip, guys, and it is awesome. We even did the tailpipes, guys. Tailpipes look good, they look nice and wet. Even the undercarriage we did up in there. So hopefully it'll help with when we go off-roading to different job sites and whatnot. But wow. The sun is really hitting the driver's side wheel really well, so it really shows off how wet this thing comes out. Sheesh, loving it. We're gonna let the vehicle sit as long as we can without it getting wet, so hopefully it doesn't rain this entire week, but fingers crossed. I mean, they say it's only a 4-hour cure time, but I would like as much time as possible just so that you get a lot of longevity out of it. I will definitely be doing a water test as soon as I wash the truck next, so maybe not this coming week, hopefully fingers crossed, but the following week after, just when the vehicle gets dirty, because no sense washing a clean vehicle, right? So thank you all so very much for watching. Special thanks to Kayla for being my video girl as well as helper, and a big mahalo to my sponsor Alex at Platinum Detailing Adams Polishes. Get your graphene spray coating as well as regular ceramic coating, I believe either this week or next week, because today is August 30th. It's Sunday. So definitely check them out for sure. But thank you all again so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. But as always, I'll see you guys at the next one.